Hello everyone, you are highly welcome to this class. This is mathematics class. Today we'll be studying this topic, combination. We have actually started the study in our previous classes and we are looking at the aspects of a combination, which is the symmetric property of a combination. So today we'll be studying the symmetric property of combination. So I'm going to state this symmetric property of combination and I will show you how to use it with the aid of examples. So the symmetric property of combination is given by n combination R is equal to n combination n minus R. So this is what symmetric property of combination says, that n combination R is equal to n combination n minus R. Remember, this is the bracket notation for combination. So you can see it in this form: n combination R is equal to n combination n minus R. n minus R. So the symmetric property of combination is saying that this thing and this thing are what? The same thing. So let's take for instance that you have 5 combination 2. So that in this case our n is 5 and R is what? 2. We are saying that it will be equals to n combination, that's 5 combination n minus R. N is what is up here, R is what is down here. What is up here is 5, what is down here is 2. 5 minus 2 will give us what? If we do 5 minus 2, let me just write it, 5 minus 2, right? So that this will be 5 combination 2 equal to, we want to check whether they are equal. So let me just put, we are checking whether they are equal. Then 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Right? So that this one is what? 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 5 minus 2 factorial. Right? So this, we are saying we want to check whether it will be equal to 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 5 minus 3 factorial. Remember, this thing I'm using is the combination formula, which says that n combination R is equal to n factorial divided by R factorial multiplying n minus R factorial. This is the combination formula. We saw that in our previous class. Then if you, that's what I use here. In this case our n is 5 and our R is what? 2, as we have it here. So 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 5 minus 2 is 3. So, and we have factorial here, that's 3 factorial. Then we want to check whether it is equal to, this place is what? 5 factorial, all divided by 3 factorial. Then 5 minus 3 is what? 2. And we have factorial, that's 2 factorial. Now the question is this thing and this thing, are they the same? We have 5 factorial up, we have 5 factorial up here. We have 2 factorial, 3 factorial, we have 3 factorial, 2 factorial, which is the same thing, because 2 factorial, 3 factorial we have down here is the same thing as 3 factorial multiplying 2 factorial. So it means that these two things are the same, which tells you that this property, the combination, the symmetric property of combination is always what? True. Right? So having known that this symmetric property is always true, so let's use it to solve this practical example here. They ask us to solve for x. Solve for x means find what x is. If 20 combination 5 plus 2x is equals to 20 combination x. So we are given that what? 20 combination 5 plus 2x is equal to 20 combination x. This is what is given to us and want to solve this problem. But observe from what we have here that the first quantity you have, the first combination you have, what is on top is your what? N. And this n must be what is here. So what is here is what? 20. And what is here is what? 20. So 20 is like our n. So that what is down in the first combination you have, what is down is acting as your R. So what is our R here? Our R is 5 plus 2x. So this, we have that R is equal to what? 5 plus what? 2x from our observation here. Then what the second quantity we have here is what? N minus R will give us the second quantity. So what is the second quantity we have here? X. It means that N minus R is what? X. So this, so we have that N minus R is equal to what? What we have here? X. I hope you are following what you are doing. So if you come to the second combination, what you have down here is what? N minus R. The second combination is this one. What you have down here is X. It means that N minus R is what? X. What is N? N is what? 20. So we are going to have 20 minus, what is R? R is 5 plus 2x. So I have to put it in a bracket, right? Because I have two things here. Then I have equal to what? X. So if you open the bracket, I have 20 minus 5 minus 2x is equal to x. I use this minus to multiply the contents of the bracket. So that what I will have, 20 minus 5 will give me what? So let me just write that 20 minus 5 is equal to, I will collect letter x to the right. So I have x here. Minus 2x will move to the right, change to plus 2x, plus 2x. So I move this minus 2x this side. So I have, what I have left here is 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. 15 is equal to x. X plus 2x will give me what? 3x. So that if the coefficient of x is what? 3. The coefficient of x is 3. We are going to divide both sides by 3. So we are going to have 15 divided by 3 is equal to 3x divided by 3. So that if 3 divide 3, I have 1. Multiply x, I have x. And if 3 divide 15, I have what? 5. So I can explicitly state that x is equal to what? 5. So that we have gotten that x is 5. So you can check on your own whether if you put 5 for x here, you are going to have 2 times 5 is what? 10. Plus 5 is what? 15. So if you check whether 20 combination 15 is equal to 20 combination 5. See you in our upcoming class as we solve more example on this. Bye.